secrets of muscles. So, here we are talking about how muscles are extremely important. So, you might think that yes, it is good to have a muscular body, right? I'm not talking about just looking muscular. There are three types of muscles in our body and they perform very, very important things. If we are talking about improving our health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, it is very essential that we take care of all of these muscles. So what are these three types of muscles? The first one I'm talking about are the skeletal muscles. These are the muscles that hold all our organs together. They are holding our joints, our bones, and everything together. These are the muscles that we actually see when we see a muscular person. The second type is what makes up our organs. These are called smooth muscles. So they help move our organs. If we think about how food passes through the digestive system, well, these are the smooth muscles that are in action. So they are pretty important, aren't they? And the third type of muscle, which we don't really think about, is the cardiac muscle. It is the muscle that makes our heart pump blood throughout our body. So if we think about all three muscle types, isn't it important that we support them so that we are in the best of health? So if we talk about our skeletal muscles first, these are the ones that form majority of our musculature. And why are these muscles so important? Because they help us supporting our entire body. They hold all our organs together. They support our joints. So I just recently heard of a person, elderly person, who had two forms of abdominal hernia. Guess what the reason was? It was because he did not have enough muscles to hold the abdominal organs together. And we can build muscles. We start losing muscles at the rate of 1% after the age of 30, and then it increases 3%. It becomes 3% as we age. This is how much muscle we are losing every year in the process called as sarcopenia. If we want to avoid muscle loss, we need to take care of it. We need to eat accordingly to increase muscle mass. We need to exercise. Because if we think of what muscles are doing, they are helping support our joints. They are keeping us metabolically active. They are boosting our metabolism. Because you know what? When we have more muscles, they use up glucose or blood sugar that is in our bloodstream. They are very important. When we exercise, we are using up this sugar. They are not only supporting our metabolism, but they are helping us keep our body fit. So we need all of these muscles. It is very important when we are just even trying to lift our groceries, when we are trying to climb stairs, we are trying to carry our children or grandchildren. So if we want to live a life that is healthy, where our blood sugar is in control, where our joints are supported because they have enough muscle around them to support, when our organs are well supported, just think of how easy life can be. It doesn't take a lot to build muscles. We don't really have to look muscular in order to have enough muscles in our body. So it's not just about aesthetics when we are talking about the importance of muscle. When we have enough muscle, our entire body will be supported. Our smooth muscles will perform correctly because they will be enough. The heart muscle will be sufficient for the heart to perform in the most optimal way. So what can we do to improve muscle? Well, there are things that are dietary that need to be taken care of, which we will talk about in a subsequent video. But other things that are important for musculature are exercises, resistance training, body weight exercises, push-ups, pull-ups, squats. These are the things that improve musculature immensely. There's high intensity interval training that can be done to improve the musculature. This is important not just for looking good, but to reverse a lot of chronic diseases. When we have our blood sugar under control, when all of our organs are made correctly, when they perform all of their functions, when our body is supported structurally, it's a lot easier to prevent chronic diseases. So let's start, shall we?
Hi, and welcome to this week's session on muscles. In today's session, that is part 1 of the muscles session. We talk about why muscles matter for health and well-being. Now, did you know muscles are more than just strength? They are essential to your health. They don't just power our movement, they support metabolism, control blood sugar, and even boost mental wellness. Today we are going to talk about skeletal muscles. Now, your skeletal muscles play a vital role in metabolic health. They burn calories, balance blood sugar, and support a healthy metabolism. Strong muscles can even help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Strength training isn't just for athletes. It builds strong bones, improves balance, and supports long-term health. Adding simple strength training exercises to your routine can make a huge impact as you age. It helps you develop good skeletal muscles. That's not all to it. Did you know your gut microbiome affects your muscles too? Your gut microbiome doesn't only help with digestion, it plays a role in muscle health too. Good gut bacteria produce nutrients and control inflammation, which are crucial for muscle growth and recovery. Beneficial gut bacteria produce amino acids and vitamins essential for muscle repair. They also help manage inflammation, keeping muscles strong after you exercise. So you need to strengthen your gut with high fiber foods, probiotics, and regular exercise. A healthy gut can help you build stronger muscles that last a lifetime. Remember, muscles aren't just for strength, they are for life. Take a step today towards a stronger and healthier you. Today's call to action. Identify one strength training exercise that you have included in your daily routine. If not, get started today. You don't need a gym for that. Just 10 to 15 minutes of squats, wall push-ups, or resistant band exercises 3 times a week can build strength and protect your health. So take care of your gut health for stronger muscles. Thank you for joining this session.